Today, we will be unboxing the Macvol e-bike Peak20. First, open the packaging and inspect each part and accessory to ensure they are undamaged. Note: the multi-tool will be crucial in every step of your assembly process. Then, remove the packaging. Let's assemble the handlebar. Straighten and align it with the front wheel. Stand above the front wheel. Use an Allen wrench to tighten the two handlebar bolts. Adjust to the desired angle and tighten the 4 fixing bolts. Next, we will install the pedals. First, make sure to identify the left and right pedals, then align them with the threads on the crank arms and pedals, and tighten them. Repeat this process on the other pedal. Open the seat tube clamp. Adjust the saddle to your desired height. Make sure to adjust the saddle to the desired height without exceeding the minimum insertion mark, then close the seat tube clamp. Now, let's perform a power test. First, plug one end of the battery power cable into the socket, then insert the other end into the charging port of the e-bike. Charging takes approximately 10 hours. While charging, the indicator light will display as red. When fully charged, the indicator light turns green. Note: the battery can be removed independently for charging. Insert the key and turn, then rotate the knob above the battery. Remove the upper part of the battery, press the power button for about 2 seconds to turn on. When the battery is activated, the indicator light turns green, and finally, reinstall the battery. Press and hold the power button on the display for 2 seconds to turn it on.